good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all. Now this nigga I'm finna review today, I'm not like the biggest fan of it, but at the same time I'm somewhat of a fan of it. The details that went into this shoe, the colorways, you know, it's something slight, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of, you know, it's kind of bold colorway wise, you know, it's kind of, you know, out there, it draws attention, but at the same time it's just the subtle details about this sneaker that makes me like, yeah, this a hard shoe. That's not one that I need in my collection per se, but at the same time it's a sneaker that, you know, if I had it I'd be like, okay, cool, but you know what I'm saying, at the same time I'm not like stressing about the shoe. But with all that being said, without further ado, without rambling on about this sneaker, that shoe I'm talking about, man, is the Air Jordan 5 We The Best, aka the Crimson Bliss guys, man. Alright, man. Now once again, like I said, the details on this sneaker is crazy. Oh, shout out to my guy Jay, man. You know what I'm saying? This is his pair. It's not my personal pair. He threw me the live to do a video on these. So hey, shout out to you, Jay. Appreciate that live, man. That assist for my YouTube channel, man. Getting this content for y'all. But once again, like I said though, this box, man, the details, you know what I'm saying, with this slide out cover, to me, the details on this box, man, itself is pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? As far as the slide out cover and all that good stuff on the box. But enough about the slide out cover. You know, y'all see that. Y'all see what all it looks like. You know, nothing too crazy, but at the same time, a little too crazy. Kind of remind me like the old school Taco Bell logo. You know what I'm talking about? Like from the 90s and all that, or early 2000s. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But enough about that. Let's get to these sneakers, man. A little bit more of the box, a little bit more. You see the We The Best logo on the side of the box right there. But like I said, enough about this box. Let's get into these shoes, man. So, oh yeah, I didn't even realize this. You know what I'm saying? It got like this little Miami Nights vibe. You know what I'm saying? That little pink, that fluorescent. You know what I'm saying? That fluorescent pink colorway on this box, man. As y'all see that. But I keep going on about this box. Let's get into these shoes. Off the bat, man, you got a beautiful, real beautiful colorway, man. Like this salmon pink type of vibe that got going on, or like I said, Miami Nights type of vibe, man. Like this iridescent kind of bright pinkish salmon color that got going on with these guys, man. Real nice details. You know, it's some small details that's a little different than your average Jordan 5 that I do like about these shoes, which makes me a fan of this sneaker a lot more. Like on the side right here, you know, normally you have like a little bubble, you know, poking out on the side of the Jordan 5s, but this one is just flat leather all across the side of it, which is, in my opinion, is dope. You know, it's something different. Not many Jordan 5s do this whole like flat design on the side. Only other Jordan 5 I can think of that doesn't have like that protruding bubble is the Off-White 5. Now, I'm sure there's other 5s, I could be wrong, but if y'all know some other 5s, you know, let me know down in the comment section below what other 5s have that, you know, flat side to it. But as far as I know, just these and the Off-White 5s. Like I say, it's, you know, it's a lot of Jordan 5s is out, so could be wrong. But enough about that side, that little side detail, man. This leather itself, man, is so soft, man. Like, see if I can get that to focus for y'all right there. This leather is so soft on this sneaker, man. Like, some of the softest leather I done felt on the Air Jordan 5, like, ever, man. Like, a lot of these Jordan 5s, like, yeah, they have like soft leather, but this quality on this sneaker, like, even DJ Khaled himself made a video talking about how soft the leather quality is on this shoe, and I can definitely see what he's talking about when I feel this leather quality. Like, it feels luxurious, you know what I'm saying? Like a luxury type of leather on this shoe. It doesn't feel cheaply made, honestly. And also QC on this shoe is really good. I don't see any glue stains, you know, nothing out of place. Stitching is perfect. Like, you know, Nike, they really did their thing with this shoe. They really went all out with this sneaker, in my personal opinion. Like how they got like the quilted, you know, inside, like how you would see on the Alma Manera 3 or 4 or 1, 2, whatever. y'all know that the our mama there like trademark that quilted inside. You know, that's another dope touch in my personal opinion. But once again, this colorway, seeing them more in person, it definitely makes me more of a fan of this sneaker. Like, I didn't really care for it when I saw it picture. I'm like, okay, cool, yeah, it's cool. I really like the sail colorway more, and I still like that sail colorway. So hopefully in the near future I can get my hands on that sail colorway. But if not, hey, it's cool. But this Crimson Bliss colorway, it's definitely doing something for me, man. Like, it's a really dope sneaker in my opinion. You know, on the bottom of it, you got your, you know what I'm saying, your clear sole with the Jumpman logo. Of course, you got your Nike on the bottom of the sole as well. On the back of this sneaker, you got the We the Best. You know what I'm saying? Cause hey, we the best, you know what I'm saying? We might be one of the best YouTube channels, you know. Y'all see that soon though, but enough about that. I'm gonna keep going with these sneakers though. On the other shoe, which is also I like, not only do you get the salmon color laces, you get 3 extra pairs of laces. So in total you get 4 pairs of laces for this sneaker to play around with, which in my opinion is, you know what I'm saying, really dope. You know, something that not many Jordan 5s give you is, you know, options when it comes to laces. Only other Jordan 5, once again, I could be wrong, but y'all let me know in the comment section down below if I'm wrong. But the only other Jordan 5 I can think of that has different options when it comes to laces is the off-white Jordan 5s. You know, of course, the sail pair and the Muslim pair. You know, y'all seen my videos on both of those. If you go back, just scroll back further and see my, you know, pickups from way back when. But I did some videos on those. But you will see that those are the only other Jordan 5s that I know of. Now, I could be wrong, so don't quote me. Don't say, you know, I don't know my sneakers. You know, I know sneakers, but I don't know every single sneaker. So I can't sit up here and say that every Jordan 5 or multiple Jordan 5s come with multiple laces. But this pair, I know it does come with like a kind of, you know, baby blue teal kind of colorway that kind of matches, you know, the quilted insole of the, or inside of the shoe. You got your, like, what is this? Is this black or like a dark blue, navy blue, black? Whatever. Y'all let me know. I think this might be a black. Can't really tell. Inside the bag, I'm trying to open up the bag, and it's not my sneakers, so I don't want to open up the laces and kind of mess up the dead stock, you know, look at the shoe. Then you get like this sail kind of, you know, off-white kind of colorway lace as well. Then of course on the inside of the shoe that's already laced up is the salmon color or crimson color lace, or the Crimson Bliss they got. But once again, man, a dope shoe, real dope concept, real nice colorway, you know, beautiful colorway. Oh, I didn't even notice on the bottom of this one, you got the We the Best logo on the bottom of this one. And of course on the other one, got the Jumpman logo, which is another dope touch in my opinion. Because on the inside, let me see if I can get y'all a good look at this. On the inside of the sneaker, it says, hold on, right here, if I can see that, We the Best on the inside of this one, and it shows the Jumpman on the bottom. And on this sneaker, on the inside, get y'all a better look at this as well. You got the if I can get that to show, y'all can see that a little bit, that Nike Air logo on the bottom of the sneaker, and the We the Best on the bottom as well. Then Nike Air on the back of this one. Back of this one, you got the We the Best. So a lot of dope little details that went into making this sneaker. In my opinion, you know, they really took their time with this. But at the same time, for some strange reason, this shoe definitely flopped as far as resale goes. Like, prices aren't too high, you know, it's definitely an affordable sneaker. So if you still want this colorway in your collection, you can definitely get this for, you know, an affordable price in my personal opinion. Same with the sail colorway, which is why I said that I might, you know, honestly be getting that colorway in the near future. But enough about, you know, the other colorways. You know, this is the Crimson Bliss colorway, which my opinion is still at the same time a dope colorway. The colors, you know, of course, is like real, you know, loud, kind of bright. So certain outfits won't always, you know, match up with this sneaker. But you can, you know, you can definitely find something that can complement this color to, you know, put a nice little fit on with this. But once again, man, my opinion, a real dope sneaker, something that I could probably see myself rocking, but of course it's not my size. This is size 9. If I try to put my foot in this shoe, I'll probably bust through it, and of course, you know, that's not gonna, you know, work out too well for no kind of fits or anything like that. So definitely not my size. But once again, I appreciate my homie Jay for throwing me the line for these shoes once again, man. But as always, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, man, tuning into my channel, man, you know, getting my views up, getting my subscribers up. And once again, speaking of subscribers, man, I got this, you know, I still got the giveaway going on for the Jordan 1 Lost and Found grade school size 7 wide going on. So, you know, my goal is still 500 subscribers, you know, by December 29th. So, you know, make sure y'all telling a friend and tell a friend. Y'all constantly smashing that like button, you know, get my algorithm going. Y'all constantly smashing that share button. that subscribe button is number one though. Make sure y'all smash the subscribe button. Don't just watch the video, man. Subscribe. I get plenty more videos coming for y'all. Plenty more in the future. You know, I'm like I always say, all gas, no brakes, man. I don't plan on stopping no time soon. Get so much content coming out for y'all in the near future, man. So make sure y'all tuned in. Turn the notification bell on, man. When I drop a video, make sure y'all here to see, to witness, you know, the growth of my channel. You know what I'm saying? I started back in July, as I always tell y'all. So I don't plan on stopping no time soon, like I said. So I got so much more coming for y'all in this near future. This is like, you know, one of the many unboxing videos that I have. If you haven't seen my other unboxing videos, of course I have plenty more on my channel. So make sure y'all tuning in, man, so y'all can get this giveaway, you know what I'm saying, as well, that Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Of course it's a grade school size, so if it's not your size, of course you can always flip it, give it to, you know, whoever, you know what I'm saying, your cousin, your sister, your girlfriend, your mom, whoever wants these shoes. Or you can just, you know, keep them on display, because, you know, just it's a Chicago colorway. You know, many people are collectors out there. They don't want to wear them, just want to collect the shoes. So whatever the case may be, man, make sure y'all tuned into my videos, subscribing to my channel, telling y'all friends, sharing my videos, all that good stuff, man. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning into my channel, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.